When Philippines was struck by the typhoons Rolly, Quinta, and Ulysses, and many people lost homes and livelihood, the bayanihan spirit and caring hearts of Filipinos were once again proven, as help and donation came pouring down from Redimians through a donation drive. Just like these two kids who donated their entire piggy bank savings for the victims of the typhoons, an act that touched the hearts of netizens. Fourth grader cousins Clara Amber Buca and Lihan Einel Zamora did not hesitate to donate their joint piggy bank savings, which they have been filling up for a year from their allowance and gifts.
Para po matulungan yung mga ibang nangangailangan. Napanood po namin yung news, yung mga tao po nasa naksihan. Nakakaawa din. Okay lang naman po sa amin kasi po sabi po ni God, ginawa po tayo para po matulungan at magmahalan.
Redinians commended the act of the kids and expressed their appreciation of their kindness.
Pero alam naman nating lahat tayo pinagdadaanan, pero yung simple gesture na ginawa ng bata na dapat sa kanya na lang for pambili niya ng mga gusto niya, ng mga pagkain or ng mga laruan na gusto niya, di ba? Yung ganung bagay na imbis na para sa kanila, i-share pa niya sa ibang tao. To be honest, nagulat talaga ako.
Proud na proud po. Kasi po yung piggy bank na yun, hindi po talaga po sila pa-enchanted. Sabi po nila, Mama, naman, hindi sila makalabas, magawa ng pandemic. I-donate na lang daw nila sa Ahon Luzon. Masaya po kasi po may matutulungan po tayo mga other people na.
Like Clara and Amiel, Redinian families made valuable donations to help the people affected by the typhoons through the donation drive organized by the alumni of Holy Redeemer School of Cabuyao.
The idea of having this donation drive was initiated by our very own MR Arganyosa and AJ Flores. And I think kausap nila yung buong batchmates nila. And they were also the ones who contacted Mark Tumala, another alumnus of HRS from 2 years ago. So he was the coordinator for South Grounds. They wanted to help the situation of our fellow Filipinos, lalo na sa Cagayan at sa Marikina, since sila yung mas naka-experience ng flooding. At hindi ito yung first time no, na kumilos si Mark along with his brother Michael and along with the rest of the batch 2018-2019, yung batch nila. They also initiated a donation drive before for the victims naman of Taal eruption. So hindi ito bago para sa kanila, but ang bago lang dito is tinap sila ng iba't ibang batches, iba't ibang previous batches to help out for this donation drive.
Ahon Luzon has received 70,000 cash donations in just 2 weeks. This and the in-kind donations will be used for the relief packs that will be distributed to hundreds of families in Cagayan and Marikina.
We're hoping that we could donate to at least 300 families man lang sa Marikina at sa Cagayan. So we're hoping and praying na yung monetary and yung in-kind donations that we will be receiving until the last day of the donations can help more families than what we're expecting.
In times of calamities and hardship, the spirit of bayanihan is truly alive, and regardless of one's age and status, a person can help in his own little way. I'm Jarel Tiafas, reporting for News Express.